Welcome back. When you are structuring text on your page, you will want to distinguish at times between text that you want within a paragraph apart from text that you want outside of the paragraph. And you can do that with specific tags in HTML. So for example, if we were to highlight this text, you'll notice that all of the text within this block is going to be within one paragraph. And the reason it appears that way is because we're using the paragraph tag. And if we highlight this tag, you'll notice that there is a bracket, then the letter P, then a close bracket, and then the closing tag, which is similar with the backslash. Now, every time you use the closing paragraph tag, you're going to notice that a space is inserted automatically right after that tag. So for example, we'll see that there's going to be a space inserted before this word introducing, and that's because we have this closing paragraph tag. So let's say that what we wanted to do is we wanted to put all of this text within one paragraph. So what do you notice here? Well, you'll notice that there is a paragraph that ends after the word male, and that there's one that begins with the word your, and you'll notice that there is a space in there. So what we could do is we could take out the closing paragraph tag here and the opening paragraph tag here so that we will just have a opening and closing paragraph tag. So we're going to take one out. Then we're going to take out the opening tag. And now what we're going to do is we're going to have all the information inside of one paragraph. And you'll see now that this information is all in one paragraph and that the space is still inserted after the paragraph tag. Now another way that we can control spacing within our text is to use the BR command or the break command. And you'll notice that break command in this case. And what the break tag does is it moves the text to the next line. So for example, if we were just to copy this tag and we were to place it after word videos, we would then expect the text to move to the next line. So we're going to just place that break tag in this case, and then we're going to click inside of our WYSIWYG editor, and you'll notice then that the text then moves to the next line. Now if we didn't like the spacing again, all we would need to do is to place another break tag within this area, and we would notice then that the text would then move again. However, the spacing doesn't quite end up evenly the way all of the other spacing does. So the best way to do this would be to use the paragraph tag. So what we would do is we'd take out these breaks and reinsert paragraph tags instead so that we can even up our spacing. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.